and welcome back to TruckerMan26, where we are joined with Beans again.
Hi,
I don't know if you can hear
my
him.
audio is very faint.
I'm recording.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, that's good. Anyway, so we're starting off in the Henry's Hot Dogs, and let's get into this.
And then the burger place.
Yeah, okay.
Because that's what I did in mine.
Because
do you like
that's...
my new fit, by the way? Do you guys like my new fit?
Do you like my outfit?
Yeah, this time in the hot dog place, I'm not going to blow it all on bacon. No, not the hot dog place, the burger place.
We have a plain hot dog.
Remember when we caught rats?
Yeah. Anyway, you're doing the plain hot dog. Ah. Yeah, your arm's a hot dog.
Hey.
I could just see it waving. If you watch my video, then you'll see it.
Hey! The rats
Whoa!
steal my...
I don't know if you like Beans being in the video, but you have to deal with
If you
it.
don't like me in the video, then tell him.
Comment. Please tell me. Although he is.
Because we can scrap me. Like
Can
how
we?
we scrap videos, we can just scrap me altogether.
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
I already filmed the video, but all my audio crashed.
Yeah. Also, I have all of my I have a whole Lethal Company series ahead of me. You guys.
Yeah, go and subscribe to
My
him.
viewers know that I have a whole Lethal.
Because
Company
I won't be really based around it. By the way, we have another plain hot dog.
Oh, we have two plain hot dogs.
I'm doing a plain hot dog.
Speed
Speedrunning thing.
Like, you know how like speedrunners view their thing out a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I have on.
Oh, I'm gonna do that then. I'm a speedrunner. Everyone can watch me change my settings. I'm turning down the music.
Like my bum though.
Don't know, don't really know.
Probably just disappeared.
Why is my arm so long?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Imagine if our arms were like this in Gorilla Tag.
Gorilla Tag videos coming up soon.
I can't do one today. I can do other videos though.
Hi, what would you like to eat? Sorry about the plain hot dog. My colleague's a bit slow at cooking.
Hey.
And the plates are having a seizure.
Oh, I love seizures.
Oh, wait, what? My channel's a family friend Loma.
You might have to censor this, but I said seizures and crap.
How do I censor it? I'm just gonna have to cut it out.
Yeah, just cut out.
How dare
So
you?
Keep this, so you might have to censor this, but then so that you leave them on a cliffhanger. When we figure out how to censor stuff, we'll be able to do like.
Another sausage and bread. Repeat, sausage and bread.
We should do Minecraft videos one day.
One day, yeah, that would. Comment down below. We need more buns. I'm ordering buns.
And they need more air.
Okay. Can we be a bit serious? I kind of launched it up into the air. And it's actually...
You'll think about the burn, you'll think about the burn.
Okay, so... Can I just say... If we need a fire extinguisher... I kind of chucked it up into the air.
That's your fault. No, the buns! Did we need the buns?
Yes, we do. We've run out of buns.
Oh, this one. No, don't take me. No.
Where's the box of buns?
I don't know, like, honestly. I saw the bun. I saw a box fly, and I was like, no, the buns, and I don't know where it went.
Have you ordered?
I ordered 2.
Oh, I know where the buns have gone now.
Where? Oh my god. Oh, we need to serve these customers.
Ah!
Where's one of the buns?
By the way, we kind of lost the fire extinguisher. Oh, the fire extinguisher's back.
I just want buns.
Wait, follow me. Oh no, I've lost the fire extinguisher. Follow me again. Follow me. Jacob. Jacob, follow me.
Then have a lot of theories about this.
Follow me. By the way, we kind of lost the fire. Look. It'll respawn here. Just keep waiting. I think it's gone. Hi. So we don't take any responsibility for this. We've actually lost the fire extinguisher.
Let me again!
What the heck? Okay, sorry for that loudness there. My friend just went go mode, I'm guessing.
I'm very sad.
Why?
Because they left. The sausage and bread.
Wait, the sausage and bun. We need a sausage and bun. Oh nice,
No,
you already
the
fed
plain
it.
hot dog.
Oh, I've done the plain hot dog. Wait, you ready? By the way, we've actually... Where's the fire extinguisher?
We're actually doing good. Plain hot dog and sausage and bread.
By the way, where's all the buns gone again?
Did you say to lose the buns again?
No, I've got them on my belt. Bread. I'm holding a baguette in my hand.
That's gonna burn. These are gonna burn.
Oh my lord. Jacob.
Yeah.
You can't see me right now.
Yeah,
I thought
right.
we've actually lost the fight.
Sausage and bread or the plain hot dog?
Sausage and bread.
Alright, I've got the plain hot dog. I actually got the sausage in the bread this time.
Oh, nice.
Eat. Wow, we did good. We're doing good.
No, I nearly got. Okay, y'all go.
Of what? What is it? What do they need? What do they want? Sausage, I'll do that. You need more action in yours because you're the one doing the video. So you get the high ones.
Oh, I can't do it now.
Wait, was it a plain hot dog or a sausage and bread? The second one?
Sausage and bread. How dare? Oh wow. How dare you, Sue? By the way, I've never actually looked at the recipe book. Are you even filming, by the way?
No.
Is it because yours didn't corrupt?
Yeah, mine didn't corrupt.
Yeah, my last video corrupted.
We'll do the burger place next time, and we can meme in the burger place because we memed in the burger place for my one. And we can make your thumbnail for the burger place.
Better.
So it's a massive fire.
By the way, this guy doesn't want this. I'm cooking it. Do you like my frying pan?
I hope so. Hey! Cook it.
I'm cooking it.
I hope someone needs sausage and bread.
Yeah, they do.
I both need sausage and bread.
By the way,
Put
that
the bread
plate.
on the plate. Put the bread on the plate.
Yeah, but the plate needs to be cleaned.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
I'm just giving them a wash. No, no, my lord. Oh, no.
No!
You can't give it to them now.
I know, please.
What? Okay, good boy.
There, it's cleaned. Put it on.
Where's the bread gone?
Down there.
Down
Underneath
where?
you. Behind you. Put it on.
Oh my lord. It's not cooked. I mean cleaned. Okay, now it's cleaned. Pick up that, and then put it on there, and then go and feed it. Eat. That was a great meal. Thank you. Your food went on the floor about twice. But he does not care. Gas, gas, gas. We gotta step on the gas. Can I even hear you?
Yeah. Just very faintly.
Oh. We need to play. I just knocked myself out. Anyway, I'm just gonna. No! I'm heading to the main menu.
Why?
I'm doing a different one now.
Okay.
Because I need to make a thumbnail where I kind of set fire.
Okay, go on. I'll make one. Come on.
So we'll order all the boxes.
We'll do
Order.
the burger one. Do the burger one.
Oh, we'll set fire there then. Look at how smart you are. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, let's set fire to make my thumbnail.
Let's make your one now.
I'm setting fire.
I want to cook a rat. I want to burn a rat.
Okay, cool.
Don't come outside to the rat hole.
Don't really think of doing that.
Come outside actually to the rat hole.
You just told me not to. Oh my.
We just need a rat. We just need one rat.
Okay, I'm setting fire to the cheese.
Just set fire to everything until we get the rat, and then we can take a look.
This is very easy. This is EPSN.
I know a rat just come out. I swear if a rat comes out right now, just because you put it.
Yeah, because it. You might want to come back in.
Why?
I think I need a supervision for an adult.
Nah, that looks fine.
Are you
I
sure?
have the perfect thumbnail for you.
Hi, don't worry, you don't
What
need
if you
to
do
run.
it you holding a fire extinguisher and then you take it?
Okay, let's do this.
Wait,
Can
no,
you?
do it you holding a rat when we get one. When we get one, we'll do it you holding a rat. Can these rats just come out?
10 hours later. Thumbnails
Now
aside,
we can do
thanks
the
for
adult
watching this
one.
video. Fireman Beans and Fireman TruckerMan26 is going to put out the fire.
Ow!
Golly, why did I put this?
Oh, I burned in the fire and I died.
And he died. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.